Can you really increase your AMH levels by eating something in your diet? So if you have ever received an AMH report and it shows that your AMH levels are low, the first thing which you did was to search on internet and try to find out what food should you eat to build up your AMH? What fertility supplements should you take to build up your AMH? But friends, that answer is not so simple. Let's first understand what is AMH. So AMH means the quantity of eggs left in your ovaries. So it is a marker of your egg reserve. And frankly, there is no wonder food that you can take to increase your egg reserve. So important is that you concentrate on the fact that AMH cannot increase overnight, but by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can work on other parameters of your reproductive health. Friends, low AMH doesn't mean that you will never be able to get pregnant. AMH is just one part of your fertility puzzle. There are many other things which are taken into account. Your egg quality, your uterine health, your hormonal balance, and most importantly, the reproductive health of your partner. Still, if you find somebody who promises that by taking this juice, this tablet, this gel, or by eating this, your AMH will suddenly double, be cautious, this advice is not generally true. So here are 5 evidence-based facts that can help you maintain your reproductive health. Number 1. Focus on proteins. Proteins are very important building blocks in your body. Proteins are essential to build your hormones. Vegetarian diet contains a lot of proteins. Usually I hear this misconception that हम vegetarian हैं, हमारी diet में protein कैसे आएगा? So lentils, almonds, soya, chana, rajma, all of them are high sources of protein in vegetarian diet. Otherwise, egg, chicken, fish can also complement protein source in your diet. Number 2, eat a colorful plate. You know, every color has its own importance. Colors are full of antioxidants. So when you're preparing your plate to eat, it should have some red color in terms of tomatoes, some yellow color in terms of dal, some green color in terms of green leafy vegetables, and some white in terms of curd. These minerals and fats contain antioxidants which preserve oxidative stress of your body. Third very important thing is do not ignore healthy fats. Healthy fats like flax seeds, omega-3 fatty acids, avocado are essential in your body. You know, there are certain fat-soluble vitamins which can only be absorbed in your body through fat. So please be careful. Do not follow a fat-free diet always. Number 4, reduce processed food and too much of refined sugar in your diet. Especially if you have PCOS or insulin resistance, processed food or too much of refined carbohydrates and sugars can reduce your hormonal health and lead to hormonal imbalance. Last but not the least is to identify nutritional deficiencies in your body. Vitamin B12 deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, iron deficiency and folate deficiency all may be a causative factor for hormonal imbalance and in turn reproductive problems. So it is important that you identify the deficiencies of these vitamins and minerals and consult a specialist to actually help you to overcome these deficiencies. Instead of self-prescribing medications for yourself, it is important to consult a specialist. So friends, with low AMH, pregnancy is still possible. Important is to take the right consultation from the right fertility specialist.